Hello and welcome once again to the Waters and Stanton video channel. It's just a few shots of the Tokyo Ham Fair that took place the weekend just past, where the attendance was apparently over 40,000 people. Compare that with the UK Hamfest, which I think is less than 3,000, and I guess Dayton, Ohio is around about 10 or 15,000. Don't really know the figure for that, but yeah, 40,000, which shows you the interest in Japan in ham radio. Of course, they do have the advantages of an awful lot of equipment, ham radio equipment made in Japan, and therefore they can get quite a few manufacturers there. And if you saw the opening shot to this video, you'll get some idea of how big the show is. Anyway, just a few clips sent back to me from our guys in Tokyo.